Welcome back to my channel. I pretty much just woke up, that's why I look crazy. Well, I just got out the shower, but today, as you can tell by the title, we're gonna do a quick morning beauty routine. I'm gonna be doing my hair and makeup each in 5 minutes. I swear I do 5-minute routines, but I've never really put it to the test. So I'm gonna time both of them individually and see if I can do them within 5 minutes. Also, I really want to try just being able to film and upload like directly. I want to try my best to not edit the 5-minute portions of my hair and makeup, and however it turns out is what I'm going to upload. I was watching this YouTube channel that shares a bunch of YouTube tips and how to make things easier, and one of the tips was learning how to film in a way that you don't have to edit as much. So that is going to be my challenge today. I currently look a hot mess, and I have this pimple that I just got this morning, and I'm getting one down here. I don't know what's happening, but it's actually December 1st already. I cannot believe it's almost about to be 2023. Like, where did this year go? It went by so quick. You guys can't really see it, but my excuse to put this little green matching set that I have on is I was like, I'm gonna be festive. I'm trying to do Vlogmas. I'm gonna be filming every day. I actually want to get like more festive clothing to like wear in my videos. You know, I'm just trying to have fun with this. But anyway, I'm doing a lot of talking and I really need to get myself together because I got things to do today. So I think I'm gonna do my hair first. I'm gonna take it out the ponytail to see what it looks like. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do my hair first so that if it's wet or anything, it can dry while I'm doing my makeup. This is what my hair currently looks like. This is like day 4 hair, and it's just been in ponytails and like messy buns, so the curls really don't look that good right now, but we're gonna make it work. I think I'm gonna try and do a quick little hairstyle. I'm gonna make sure I have everything that I need in front of me so that I don't have to get up and grab anything. So I have my little spray bottle, I have a comb and a brush, I have my hair products, and then I have some barrettes and some bobby pins ready to go. So let me think what I want to do before I set this timer. I think I'm gonna do just like 2 braids and put it in a ponytail or like a messy bun. So let's set this timer for 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, and we are starting. Okay, braids are done and we have 2 minutes and 25 seconds left. So I think I'm just gonna do a little ponytail. I'm gonna put some of this Cake Beauty. This is the Curl Cream Defining Cream. Look at me messing up already. I was gonna re-say what I just said, but we're just gonna keep going. We're just gonna keep going. I got 30 seconds left. I'm gonna try and put my hair in a little messy bun. Boom. 5-minute hairstyle. We have 4 seconds to spare. 2, 1. Easy 5-minute hairstyle done. If you know how to braid, obviously if you don't, it would probably take longer. Or you could do twist or something, but I think this is a really cute hairstyle, and I just realized I don't have earrings on, so I'm gonna put my earrings on. I'm just putting on these little mini gold hoops. I got them from Target. I got it from like a little pack of 3. And now moving on to makeup, I'm also gonna make sure I have everything that I need in front of me. I don't use a lot of stuff anyway, so let's see what I need. I have my little complexion stick from Merit. I'm gonna use some blush. This is the Cheeky color from Merit as well. Love this one. I have some mascara, my eyelash curler. I also have my little glow serum, which is a must. And then, oh, of course, I need my eyebrows. I feel like my eyebrows are gonna take the longest. But I have this Soap Brow from e.l.f. and then I have my Milani Weekend Brow Pencil, or it's like a marker thing. And then if I have time, I have a little bit of setting powder, but I'm probably not gonna put that on today. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands before I do my makeup. I'll be right back. Hopefully I figure out a way to put like a little timer here so you guys can see the little countdown as I'm doing it. Let me unlock my phone. Okay, 5 minutes is on and we are going to start. The key to getting shit done when you have a little bit of time is to like take your time. Not take your time to where you're being super slow, but don't rush. I feel like every time I rush, I put way too much on my face. Every time I rush to do something, it literally takes me longer. So I just be like, okay, woo-saw. I always do the little woo-saw. And I just get it done on time without feeling crazy about it. This is probably an unnecessary step I could have eliminated, but I just do things out of habit, honestly. I'm going in with my complexion stick. We have 2 minutes and 57 seconds left. Blush. One minute and 49 seconds. Mascara. I'm gonna brush down my brows. I didn't fill them in, but honestly, I don't think I have time. I have 45 seconds left. And I think they look pretty good. I honestly never really need to fill them in. I literally do most of this stuff like out of habit. Because what do I actually need to fill in? Nothing. What else? What else? Maybe I kind of want to put powder on. Oh my god, my lips. I need my lip liner. Okay, my brown lip liner. Okay, problem solved. Okay. I barely made it, but I basically did finish everything that I would normally do to my face. I would add a little bit of this powder, but I don't know if this is what is breaking me out or not. I'm just gonna put a little bit because I feel like I look super shiny, and I know I'm gonna look even more shiny throughout the day. This is the LA Girl Pro Powder, or High Definition Pro Powder, whatever. I'm using the banana one. I'm just gonna put a little bit. And just one more thing, I'm gonna add this lip gloss. This is the Glossier lip gloss. Super shiny, and I love it with my brown lip liner. And that's it. That's really it. That's all I'm gonna do. That was my 5-minute makeup, 5-minute hair, quick and easy morning beauty routine, and I feel good. I feel like I look good. I'm ready to start my day. I really need to dye my hair because my grays are going crazy. I feel like I'm getting more and more every single day, and it's just like I'm low-key getting self-conscious about it now, because why do I have this big chunk of gray hair? So that is pretty much it for this video. I promise you I am not going to edit the hair and makeup portion of the video, and we're going to see what it looks like. I tried not to talk so that I wouldn't mess up, because I know when I talk is when I mess up, or I just have too many pauses and too many ums, and I always try to edit those out, but I really tried not to talk. And you guys saw when I did try to talk about this hair product, I just started fumbling my words. So anyway, I'm excited to see how everything turns out. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure sure you get a thumbs up before you go. Also make sure you're subscribed and turn on the bell notification so you never miss when I upload a new video. Although I should be uploading every day, if not every other day in the month of December. So definitely stay tuned, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.